Inductors are essential passive components in electrical engineering that store energy in a magnetic field when electrical current flows through them. Their applications range from power supplies to radio frequency circuits, making it crucial for electronics enthusiasts and engineers to understand their behavior. The operation of inductors is based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which explains that a changing magnetic field within a closed loop induces an electromotive force, EMF. When current passes through an inductor, it generates a magnetic field. If the current fluctuates, the magnetic field alters, inducing a voltage that opposes the current change, a phenomenon known as self-inductance. This principle is fundamental to the functionality of inductors in various electronic applications, including filters, transformers, energy storage devices, and oscillators. The tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of inductors, their functions, and practical project examples to illustrate their utility in circuit design. By grasping the principles of inductors, individuals can enhance their knowledge and skills in electronics, ultimately leading to better circuit design and implementation.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.